Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the door architrive on this old frame. We got the new architrive. That's the top bit. This is the side bit, which is gonna go on the left there. We have the circular saw. Let's do it then. All finished now. The door architrave in the place now. This is the quickest way to replace the old architrave with the new ones. That socket was too close, so I made a nice cut. This side, by the wall, I tried to put the beading, but it doesn't look too good, so I'm just gonna fill the gap, let it dry, and sand it off and ready for paint. If you enjoyed the video, guys, consider subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one.